In this video, I will be showing you how to get a Deepseek API key for free. Let's get started. First, I'm opening a new tab in my browser and typing Deepseek platform into the Google search bar. I click on the first link that pops up, which takes me straight to the Deepseek developer dashboard. Once the dashboard loads, you can see options like usage, API keys, top up, and billing on the left panel. I go ahead and click on API keys. Here, you can see the API keys listed below. It mentions that your API key is only visible and can be copied once at creation, so make sure to save it securely. Now, I'm going to click the Create New API Key button. A small pop-up appears asking for a name for the new API key. I click inside the text field and type Tutorial. After typing the name, I click on the Create API Key button. A message at the top says, API key created, and a pop-up displays the new key. It advises to please save this API key somewhere safe and accessible. For security reasons, you won't be able to view it again through your account. If you lose this API key, you'll need to generate a new one. I click the Copy button to make sure I have it saved, and then I click Done. Now, you can see the new key named Tutorial added to the list, along with the date it was created and its last used status. Next, I'll show you how you can use this key or learn more about it. I open a new tab and search for Deepseek Login. I click on the first link to open Deepseek. Once the interface loads, it says, Start chatting with Instant, and there are options for expert and vision modes. I click inside the message box to start typing a prompt. I type, Act as an AI API expert. Explain what I can do with a Deepseek API key. List at least 10 real-world use cases, provide a simple example for each one, and recommend beginner-friendly projects that I can build using the API. Once the prompt is completely typed out, I click the blue arrow button to send the request. The AI starts processing the request, and you can see it reading the pages to fetch the details. It then generates a detailed guide titled, What you can build with a Deepseek API key. It explains that with a Deepseek API key, you can integrate advanced AI capabilities into your applications, noting that the API is OpenAI compatible, making it easy to get started if you've used similar services before. Scrolling down further, it provides beginner-friendly projects to get started, such as a Flask-based chatbot web app, a code assistant CLI tool, a document Q&A with RAG, a JSON data extractor, and an interactive story generator. It concludes with pro tips, like using specific temperatures for code generation versus creative tasks, always keeping your API key secret using environment variables, and monitoring token usage to control costs. And that's it. That's how you can get your key and get started. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.